This is Craig with S&B Filters. Today we're going to be installing our boot kit on this Kenworth 330. These are 6-inch boots, 4-inch ID, comes with all the hardware, stainless steel T-bolt clamps. Let's get going. All right, first thing we're going to do is measure the boots. You're either going to have a 6 or 8-inch long. These are 6. We'll get to the other side, measure those. All right, so we already measured these. These are 6 inches, so we're going to remove the old ones. All right, a lot of times they'll be kind of molded in there, so kind of work the clamp around, get it to break the seal. Might need a flat blade screwdriver for some of these. All right, we use a screwdriver to kind of break out the old clamp here. And so that we don't lose the position of this tube here, we'll remove one at a time. Again, you might need a screwdriver to get it off. This is a side-by-side comparison. You can see the OE ones that are on here. Looks like they got about 4 plies. The S&B is about 5, so you can see the thickness difference. All right, we install our hose clamp over the intercooler. We're gonna get the pipe over try to get them over both the beads. Give us some space to get the next boot into the tube here. Now we can loosen the clamp. All right, now we got the T-bolt clamps loose on this other coupler. Get this off. That's great. All right, if you're having trouble getting this last one on, make sure these are still loose. You can push it all the way onto the intercooler, and then I'll give you some more slack at this end. Now you can just adjust them all back. Now we can start tightening these all up, and then we'll come back and torque them all down. All right, you got a pick. This helps to break the seal on the old one. You got that one? You got all these guys? All right, now we're gonna install the S&B. We'll get this on up front first and try to push it all the way on, give us some clearance for the other. So we'll go past the stop bead. Put our clamp on. Jam that as far as you can in there. Make room for the second one. will work. All right, now we can slide everything back. Now that we got all the clamps into position, we can tighten them down, come back and then torque them. All right, now we're going to come back through on all the T-bolt clamps, and we're going to tighten them down to 75 inch-pounds. As you can see, I just finished installing our boot kit on this Paccar 330. We also have them for Peterbilt, Freightliner, 6 or 8 inch. Check out our website and get them on order.